Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Everyone is talking about the artificial intelligence, and it looks like it's a very hot topic when it comes to the 2023. Some people are trying to use that when it comes to the trading. So today we are going to investigate TradingView when it comes to the free AI related indicators. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have revolutionized the field of the Forex trading. Thanks to the AI and ML, traders have powerful tools for predicting market trends and making more informed trading decisions. Some of the most popular AI and ML-based Forex trading indicators include neural networks. That's the type of the machine learning algorithm that is designed to mimic the way the human brain works. Neural networks can be used to analyze large amounts of the data and identify patterns and trends in the market. Decision trees are another type of the machine learning algorithm that can be used to predict the market trends. These algorithms work by breaking down complex data sets into smaller, more manageable chunks, and then using a series of decision rules to identify patterns and trends. Next, support vector machines. SVMs are a type of machine learning algorithm that can be used to classify data into different categories. In FX trading, SVMs can be used to identify patterns and trends in the market and then use this information to make more informed trading decisions. Next, random forests. That's another type of machine learning algorithm that can be used to predict the market trends. These algorithms work by building a large number of decision trees and then combining their predictions to create a more accurate prediction. Sentiment analysis. That's the type of AI that can be used to analyze social media and news feeds to identify market sentiment. So based on that information, we can predict, using the AI, market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Overall, AI and ML-based Forex trading indicators can provide traders with powerful tools for predicting market trends and making more informed trading decisions. It is very important to remember that these indicators are not foolproof, and traders should always use multiple indicators and perform their own analysis before making trading decisions. So as of now, editor, please show us the chart, and I'm going to share with you great and free trading indicator based on AI. Thank you, editor. So what we have here is TradingView Euro-Dollar chart. And we are going to use the possibility to add the indicators based on what community is sharing with other users. All right. In that case, Euro-Dollar 4-hour chart, I'm going to talk about a little bit later. But let's have a look what we have when it comes to the indicators. We are looking for the indicators based on the community and, well, machine learning, right? That's what we want to apply to our chart. In that case, we are going to choose that particular one, machine learning, Lorentzian classification by the J.V. Hardy, right? and look at the numbers using this script above 7,700. This one we are going to apply to our chart. Okay, there you go. Now, as you can see, we are, based on this indicator, we are going to get the green arrows as well as the red arrows showing us the signals, right? Based on the AI setup, of course, you may try to go deeper and you may want to see the settings. You may wanna see the arguments, source, and other things. You may play with the numbers, all right, over here as well. That's what you have to do by your own. You have to do your own homework. You have to do your own research by playing the numbers, by doing plenty of examples. But as you can see, there are plenty of the signals, and to be honest with you, well, looks like the indicator is quite accurate, right? Of course, as we discussed earlier, it might be a good idea to try to filter the signals out by other indicators. And I'm going to show you, and I'm going to share with you another indicator you can find on the trading view, right? Again, based on the community, and is the order block by Sonar Lab, all right? This one, this particular one over here. What we are going to apply as additional filter, okay? Now it's going to be the very nice part of this video. Why? Because we may avoid over trading, trying to filter the signals based on the machine learning indicator. In that case, trying to filter using the order block, right? As you can see, we might try to grab only the best signals, right? So what we've seen here, it was the Riley. Here there was a creation of the order block, and once we've seen the pullback into the order block, we also seen the signal, buying signal based on the machine learning and AI, right? Again, very similar. Move to the upside, creation of the order block, signal to go long. You may want to use the opposite signals to try to go short without the order block as the way to close the position. So look what has happened here, for example, strong move to the upside and just the opposite signal, all right? Another buying signal, retest of the order block, strong move to the upside, opposite signal without the order block, again and again and again. So the thing I noticed when I've been testing this one is that it's better to use on a higher time frame, but at the same time you have to understand that you are going to get less signals, but they are going to be more accurate. If we are going to switch to the lower time frame, we might get more signals, but they might be a little bit less accurate, right? So just to prove that we are on a right side of the market, let's switch to another cross, this time on the cable, and let's have a look what we have here as well. Okay, waiting for the everything to be uploaded, and there we go. All right, that's the 4-hour chart, and that's the 4-hour chart when it comes to the cable. And what we have here, big order block creation, all right, with this move to the upside, pullback, deeper pullback, but then once the buying signal appeared, right, we get the exit much higher, right? We quite didn't retest this order block, but let's have a look more what we have here with the buying signal. All right, another one when it comes to the order block is somewhere here based on this order block, right? Plenty of them around, and looks like really if we are going to work this correct way, if we are going to try to avoid over trading by, for example, switching lower, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. For example, on the 1 hour chart, right, we are going to get plenty of signals without the order block, which might lead to over trading, right? Buying, selling, for example, selling over here. But again, the most accurate if we are going to use the filter. In our case today, I've been using the order block finder. You might want to use any other indicator, you know, which is working fine, very well for you to try to filter the trades, right? So that's how it works. It's the future, guys, and well, let's try to learn instead of negate this one. With that being said, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and like if you haven't already. Please leave the comment below. Well, leave the idea what would you like to see the next. I'm going to make more research when it comes to the AI ML free trading indicators, and I'm going to try to post it with the explanation for you. Do your own research, do your homework, make hundreds of examples. Stay safe. Wish you a great next trading session. See you around, take care, and goodbye.